What up guys, we're back with another video. Today we're gonna be taking a look at the Art Primo blender markers. Now what the heck is a blender marker? Good question. I don't even know, so I'm gonna have my boy come here in a second and talk about it. But I will tell you this, some are dipped in dye, some are split, some are marbled. You just never know what you're gonna get with these. They're all unique. Every single one is a special little snowflake, just like you guys out there. So let's go ahead and get cracking. This one's got a little bit of purple, a little bit of red. I imagine it's gonna get a little bit orange on the inside. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna do a lot of different stuff. But these are a lot of fun. All right, look at that. You got a little bit of yellow, you got a little bit of orange, you got a little bit of fire, a little bit of vermilion. You got all kinds of colors going through one streaker, and this is not a split, this is a dyed streaker, dude. So it's not two pieces, it's one complete piece of streak. You can see right there, it's got a little bit of dye poking through there. Very, very fun, man. We got all kinds of colors, homie. Look at this one, it's blue. Blue in the crew. I think this was white at one time, but it got mixed with some blue dye. So you're gonna have a little bit of bleed, a little bit of fade, a little bit of that push through when they buff over it. Like most of the AP streaks, these are very soft, these are very smooth. Like butter, baby. These are like butter. Remember when I did that with my armpit? That shit was funny. All right, let's go ahead and do another one. I think that was for our Christmas video. This is a split right now. Let's go ahead and do a quick little tag with it real quick. What am I gonna write? I'll just do a 7. When I can't think of what to write, I'll just do a 7. That's what I do. And as you can see, I'm kind of twisting the marker as I write with it, and you can get a different color each time. You see that right there? That is a streaker, homie. You can twist it as you write with it too. See, as I did that right there, I kind of gave it a little bit of a twist. And then we got a little extra color right there, just like that. That's what makes streakers so fun, guys. They're a lot of fun. I'm gonna hit up O-Carb again because I hit him up all the time. He gets more hit ups than anybody. Big ups to O-Carb, the famous Swedish chef. What's up, homie? See here. All right, I'm having a little bit too much fun here. Let me hand it over to my homie here to talk about these, because he needs to talk to you about his process, what his thought process was making these, how he made them, and what his goals are for these, because this is something new. I'll see you guys in a second.
We started out splitting streaks, and you know, they're a classic. There's nothing wrong with it, but we had a lot of ink sitting around, and we started thinking, well, geez, we could probably make some pretty cool mixtures. So we took like a little pan, you know, about yay big, and we unrolled them and we dipped them in, I think we had orange, red, we had some Garvey, and the next day it just turned out really cool. These are a lot smoother than normal streaks because the pigment kind of soaked in, and whatever it did, it just makes them real smooth. And one thing I find is if you kind of hold it like a magic marker, you can really get a lot of different blends out of it. You know, like
Nice.
You're just never really sure what you're going to get with them, like he said, but they all turned out great, and we were really surprised with it.
How many did you make?
As far as the colors go, I think we made like 5 different colors, but we made a whole bunch of them. There's a whole lot of them for sale. I think we got like a green and black. We got, yeah.
You figure we got a couple hundred in stock right now?
Maybe not a couple hundred, but
semi-limited edition.
Yeah, we usually got like 50 or so.
Okay, so semi-limited edition.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if people like them, I think it's no problem to make more. And like he said, there's never going to be one that'll be the same. That's what's cool about them. We roll them around a little different, and they just always turn out like really unique. That's kind of what we liked about it.
God, that orange red one is so dope, dude. Hell yeah.
You see, with the split streaks, you get either one or the other. But with these ink dyed streaks, you get like a nice in between. You know, it's not just yellow to red. You'll get like a nice orange fade. So there's a nice in between, and we're just really hyped on them. They turned out real good.
Sick. is. We got them on the website. Hit us up, 206-365-4083, 206-365-4083. That's artprimo.com, man. We're always innovating, always trying new stuff. Give us a call if you have any questions. We'll be happy to help you out. See you guys later. Say, man, you got a joint?
No, not on me, man. It'd be a lot cooler if you did.